Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the two important Excel tips, that is sort and filter. So let's us open Excel sheet. Here you can see I have a set of data, range of data. You can see in the first column I have names, the students names, but they are not arranged according to alphabetical order. Students A comes first here, student A somewhere here, and these they are arranged according to their university registration number or matrix number. 2019 student A came first, so they have given 2019-001. Then student H got admission, so 2019-02. So we can sort here according to alphabetical order student's name, and you can see in the third column we have the three mentors assigned to these 15 students. So there are three mentors, Dr. X, Dr. Y and Dr. Z. Each mentor has 5 students. We can filter this set of range for each mentor. So it will be useful tool when we want to send their weekly assessment to respective mentors. And also we have attendance and other assessment like problem based learning, team based learning and seminar. For this we have to remember a shortcut key CTRL, that is control plus T. So remember this shortcut key to introduce table to any set of data. So for this, first I am going to select this particular range of data and I am going to hit Control plus T. So I will hit Control T. So a dialog box will open and it will tell the selected range of data from here to here. And my table has header, yes. So hit OK. Immediately there will be a table going to appear in your spreadsheet. And this table is a very useful table where it has got, you can see, a drop down menu in each column. By using this column we are going to sort or filter this particular table. Here I have only small set of data, but when you deal with thousands of students you can use this function sort and filter for speed quick analysis. First we will see the sort function. For example, if I am going to sort these students according to their alphabetical order, just I am going to click this small drop down box in the name column. You can see I am going to sort these students according to alphabetical order. Just hit sort A to Z. See, all the students are arranged according to their alphabetical order. And remember, when you sort this column, the respective marks of or attendance of that particular student also sorted according to the student name. Now the student identification number is not according to the serial number. If you want again the student name list according to their university registration or matrix number or university ID, just click over ID and start sort smallest to largest number. So now see, the table appears as it was before. Now this is sort function. Now I am going to explain you what is called filter. Here you can see attendance. I want to scan this document for those students who are having attendance shortage. So I am going to click this drop down menu under attendance column. Just click over it and you come down. You can see there are number filter. Just scroll down, you will see less than. And if the attendance cutoff value is 80, you type 80 because I want to scan this table those students who have less than 80. Hit OK. So this document will show only those students having attendance shortage, like student H, D, I, C, F, J. So we can send their respective mentor for further action or counseling, whatever you want to do with that. So if you want to go back to original data, again you go back to attendance column and hit this drop down box and select all. So it will go back to original table. This is filter. Another useful tip or function of this filter option, suppose you want to see those students only assigned to Dr. S. For this we are going to use filter. Just hit the drop down menu under mentor column and you can see here select all is checked here. Unselect it, uncheck that box and just check only Dr. S box. Hit OK. Here you can see the mentees assigned to mentor Dr. S. There are 5 students, student O, G, A, C, N, and their attendance, 1 week attendance, and their assessment for problem-based learning, team-based learning, and seminar. So we can copy this entire table and paste in the Word file, or directly you can send to email as an attachment. Suppose if you want to go back, just select all, click OK. If you want to check filter only for Dr. Y, just click Dr. Y only. It will show. Here you can see Dr. Y mentee, 2 mentees has attendance shortage. So you can inform to Dr. Y to counsel these 2 students, student H and student F. So this is a very useful tool in Microsoft Excel, where if you deal with a large amount of data, for example more than 100 students, then you can use this function to analyze your data very easily and efficiently. That is sort and filter. Remember, select any set of range of data and hit Ctrl plus T. That data will become table. By using this sort and filter, you can use for your efficiency in dealing the data. Thanks for watching.